Oh yes, I want to thank me for making 245 micro twists, sister locks, mini twists, micro locks, anything you want to call it, in 10 hours. Standing, sitting, eating, taking short breaks, guys. It really wasn't easy. You're welcome back to my channel. It's ADUNNI'S here again. And if you're new on this channel, I make hair content, and I am just here to help you save money, take care of your hair, pamper yourself, to save money and spend less when it comes to your hair. Okay, when I tell you anything or when I show you any tutorial about hair on this channel, believe me, try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I made this micro twist on my sister's head. Yes, we spent 10 hours, you heard me clearly, and we ended up with 245 strands of mini twists or micro twists, as you may want to call it. So this is just me taking down the cornrow she had done on her hair the day before, because she washed her hair and she left it in this micro twist the day before that, and I'm just taking it out. I detangled her hair properly so that it makes my work easier. If you are not a newbie on this channel, I like easy work. My tutorials will always come very easy, and this particular one is no different. Okay, yeah, okay. So I am basically partitioning our hair or sectioning our hair, and I am trying to make it into smaller sections so I know the amount of section that I will be working with. And I am using this darling extension. It's called natural twist, and we're using color 1, which is pure black. My sister's hair is not plain black. She has like a color 2, color 4 kind of hair, so she just wanted black, and that was what she got. We also set a timer so we would know the amount of hours we used, which I was actually happy that we actually did. It kept us in check, not that it was a competition or we were trying to beat a certain time frame. Okay, no, we weren't in a competition, and yes, we were not trying to beat a certain time frame. We just wanted to be accountable. So I sectioned the whole of our hair into 6 sections. And if you know me well, like if you're not new on this channel, I like pre-parting my hair, I like pre-sectioning my hair, and basically that was what I did. My sister also has a very dry scalp, so as I kept on twisting, I was moisturizing her scalp, and I was using anti-dandruff because this girl's head has dandruff. So I basically kept on trying to, even though she washed her hair a day before, conditioned it and all of that, she just has a very dry scalp, which makes her hair prone to dandruff. If you know any particular treatment that she can use to reduce or to stop the dandruff on her scalp, please share with me in the comment section. I am sure she would like, or she would love to try it out. If you're new on my channel and you're not subscribed, I beg of you guys, please subscribe. And I also want to say thank you guys. We are currently on 1,178 subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I want to say thank you to you guys again for the love on my previous video, which is the crochet micro locks tutorial. Guys, I did that video. I filmed that video in fear. I didn't even know that you guys were going to find it helpful, but I'm glad that you all found it helpful. You all found it helpful. That's my English. I just pray this my English will not put me in trouble. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, please join the family by subscribing. And I had gone ahead to do the back part, and at this time I think we had spent 2 hours. I'm not sure if I showed you guys the timer here. So I'm just like letting you guys know that the length of the extension that I used is into 3, as you're seeing me do in the video. So basically this part that you guys are seeing that I have done already was into 4, which was a bit longer than the hair at her back. So as we kept on moving forward, I kept on increasing the length of the extension. So for the next 2 sections, I used into 3 of the natural twist from Darling. But for the back that I had already done, I did into 4. I think I didn't remember to film that part, and this girl was loving her hair already. And also she kept on doing the pull test to see if our hair would not pull out. Let me take a drink. It is not easy being a big sister, and this hair that we are doing is birthday hair. It's going to be my sister's birthday next week. So this is how I am twisting. I am using the 2 strands to grip the hair from the bottom, and I am doing like 5 steps of braid so that it makes the twist firm from the roots. And after doing like 5 to 6 steps of braid, I divide a natural hair into 2 parts and I begin twisting. So I make my twisting a bit firm so that it doesn't come out too loose. Okay, I have a close-up section. Okay, don't worry, you guys know I would always bring the camera close to you. I will make you feel as if you're with me while I am working. You get it? No, you get it, of course. Please do not forget to subscribe, please. So now that I had finished with that back section, I moved ahead to the front section, and now she said she wanted it to be fuller, and I went in more time, like I went in with smaller sizes. So you guys should just watch what I am going to do with this line. I actually did brought it a bit closer for you guys to see in this line. Can you see? Right, okay. Let me know in the comment section if you can see. And when I was filming this video, let me give you guys a quick gist and also ask for your help. If you know any reliable delivery service within Abuja, please share with me in the comment section or on my Instagram page at ADUNNI'S. A delivery person literally frustrated my life. Not even literally, actually frustrated my life while I was filming this video on this particular day. I was so angry. I was so frustrated. Like, delivery companies need to do better. Anyways, that is me just showing you guys again. So if you know any delivery person, please drop in the comment section. And you guys see the way I am gripping it. Can you see? So it is okay if the first time you didn't get the grip. It's okay, absolutely okay. You just have to take it out and try again. So just like that. Right, yeah. So I'm going to leave you guys to keep watching, and I'll be back for the next step. So after 8 hours and 40 minutes of twisting, we were both tired. We went to bed, and this was the next morning. I just had the other parts of the upper section left. Other part of the upper section. You guys, it was mainly just very little and we had spent 8 hours the previous day, and these 8 hours included me going to prepare lunch, both of us taking time to eat, and toilet breaks and things like that. But it was worth it. It definitely was worth it. You guys see how I did that front? I was so proud of myself that I was able to grip that part. I am not a professional. And I was able to grip that part. Look at it. And she kept saying that it wasn't paining her. Oh God. Anyways, if you haven't seen it, if you're someone like me that does not or would be scared of doing this directly on their natural hair, I have a tutorial on how to make the crochet micro twist or crochet sister locks or crochet mini twist or crochet yankee locks. This particular hairstyle has different names. So we ended up finishing at about 11 a.m. the next day, around that time actually, and we called it. But you guys know there is something with last born child. They always want things their way. I told her that this particular thing that we used in coiling may not come out well because I have different like coiling materials, but she said she wanted this, and we went ahead. We even took it out before the hot water dried out, and after finishing the coil part, she said to me later that night that she wanted us to recoil it. It is only last borns that will behave like this. Only last born. It can only be last borns that will behave like this. Anyways, we went ahead to dip it in hot water. I also pressed down her scalp with hot water to like reduce the tension of the hair on her scalp, and it just helps to make the hair a bit softer. Do you guys get? Exactly. So I also went ahead to all the extension with this wave on oil, and we just went ahead to remove the coily thing. I don't know what this thing is called. Honestly, don't know what the name is. If you know what the name is, please drop it in the comment section. But later that night, actually, we ended up recoiling the tips of our hair with the styrofoam bending rollers. I don't even know if that is the name. But that foam, that other thing, that very old type that we used in coiling hair. So, and the coil definitely came out different from what you guys are seeing currently in this video. I would have that in a short form because I had finished editing this video and it was ready to be uploaded before she asked me to recall the tip for her. So this is the final look of the hair. 245 strands, 10 hours later, and my sister is looking like the birthday girl that she is. I absolutely love the turnout. She liked it so well. According to her, she said she's a happy customer. Customer that did not pay me one couple. If you were going to do this in a salon, you would spend nothing. You would spend between 15,000 to 20,000, and this was my mom coming to do professional check. Anyways, the only thing we spent is half pack of that natural twist from Darling extension. We only use six strand or 6-pack of that natural twist extension from Darling, like 6 of that thing inside it. We didn't finish it, so we basically used half. But if you're going for a bigger size or for a longer length, you might finish the whole pack. I'll be using the remaining half pack for my own hair, but me, I'll be doing like the crochet style of something like this. So I just did all the good loving to her hair, massaged it, creamed it, applied mousse, and I was absolutely proud of myself. I felt like the big sister that I am. So guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting. If there's any other tutorial you would want to see on, look at that scalp. Look at that scalp. Adunni, you're talented. You're gifted. I am talented. I am gifted. Guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'll probably make her do like a maintenance video in a few weeks, and I will be dropping a crochet tutorial also of this micro twist. And if you haven't seen the one that I dropped earlier, please, it will be linked in the description. Go watch it. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with a friend. drop your comments. Let me know if you found it helpful. Let me know if you will do it any other way different from how I did it. So bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.